In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Salesforce Authenticator app when it's not working. If you've been having trouble with authentication issues, such as not being able to log in or verify your identity using the Salesforce Authenticator app, this tutorial aims to help you resolve those problems step by step. Whether it's a minor glitch or something more complex, these steps should cover the typical solutions. First, open your browser and navigate to the home page of your Salesforce account. This is your starting point. Salesforce, as you probably know, is a robust platform, and sometimes small issues with the Authenticator app can disrupt its functionality. A common place to start troubleshooting is with your personal settings. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse to the top right corner and click on View Profile. This section will provide you access to all your account details and settings necessary for ensuring everything, including your authentication methods, is working correctly. Now you should be in your Profile section. Here, locate and click on Settings. This button usually leads you to a comprehensive list of all configuration options for your Salesforce environment. It's not just for aesthetic settings, it's also where critical security functionalities reside. In your Settings menu, find and click on Advanced User Details. This tab contains specific settings related to your user profile that are beyond basic contact info and usually includes more technical information such as device registrations and Authenticator app connections. It's essential because having access to advanced details allows you to address more technical complications, which in this case could involve the Authenticator. Within the advanced user details, you'll need to scroll through until you find App Registration, Salesforce Authenticator. Here's what you should know. This is where your Salesforce account is tied into the Authenticator app. It's crucial because it connects your user data with the authentication service that ensures your login remains secure. If you notice any issues or disconnections, the solution often involves reestablishing the connection. You can do this by clicking on the button labeled Connect. What this does is initiate a new link between your Salesforce account and the Salesforce Authenticator app. By selecting this, you essentially refresh or reset the connection, which can fix most connectivity or syncing problems. Following these steps meticulously should help restore your Salesforce Authenticator app's functionality and ensure you can continue accessing your Salesforce account smoothly. Remember, if the problem persists even after trying these troubleshooting methods, it might be worth reaching out to Salesforce support for further assistance. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in fixing your Salesforce Authenticator issues.